Hi, welcome to Alwala's General Knowledge. Today, our topic is Indian National Congress. It is general knowledge point of view useful and also Indian history point of view useful. We have to know total the historical background and who were presidents of INC. Total points we have to discuss. First, we know Congress means to meet some people on place, to gather some people on place, that is called Congress. American parliament name is also Congress. So many countries parliament names a Congress in the world. That's why this Congress word was suggested to Evo Hume by Dadabhai Nauroji. Who suggested the word Congress to Evo Hume? You remember Dadabhai Nauroji. This person, very well, grand old man of India. Grand old man of India. He calculated first time national income of our country. So many records he has. That person suggested to Evo Hume. Who is Evo Hume's political guru? That person is Dadabhai Nauroji. This person suggested the word Congress. He also first person used the word Swaraj is also Dadabhai Nauroji. But Swaraj is my birthright and I will have it. The slogan was given by Balagangadhar Tilak. Don't confuse here. The word Swaraj was first used by Dadabhai Nauroji in India, and also Congress word was suggested to Evo Hume by also Dadabhai Nauroji. Who is the founder of Indian National Congress? The person is Evo Hume, Alan Octavian Hume. His full name is Alan Octavian Hume. He was basically British civil servant, and also he is the father of Indian ornithology, good administrator. Generally, so many people not known. This person is also father of Indian ornithology. Ornithology means the study of birds. But don't confuse here. The birdman of India is Dr. Salim Ali, but the father of Indian ornithology is Alan Octavian Hume. This person is the founder of Indian National Congress. It was founded on December 28, 1885 in Mumbai, where this Congress party or Indian National Congress was founded on December 28, 1885. Okay, it was founded in Mumbai. First meeting was conducted at Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College, Mumbai. Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College, Mumbai. In this place, 72 delegates, 72 persons attended and conducted meeting. That's why where was first meeting was conducted of INC, remember, Mumbai. Where that place, particular college place is Gokuldas Tejpal Sanskrit College. In this place, 72 delegates attended from Telugu people also, who represented Panapakam Anandacharyalu. P. Anandacharyalu represented from Telugu people. Okay, that point remember. December 28 is also celebrated in our country Congress Formation Day. Congress Formation Day is celebrated on December 28. Total this meeting was conducted, first meeting 4 days, December 28 to 31, 4 days meeting was conducted. That meeting was presided by W.C. Banerjee. Founder of INC is Evo Hume, but first president of INC is W.C. Banerjee, Umesh Chandra Banerjee. He served so many years General Secretary of INC, but first president of INC, W.C. Banerjee, first meeting or first session was conducted in Mumbai. That point remember. Some Britishers also members in INC. Whenever INC was formed in 1885, at the time some Britishers are also members. Those are George Yule, William Wedderburn, and also John Jardine. These three persons are also attended and also they were members in INC. Another point you concentrate, whenever INC was formed in 1885, at the time British Viceroy in India was Lord Dufferin. Lord Dufferin. This question also asked so many examinations in our country. Whenever INC was formed in 1885, at the time British Viceroy was Lord Dufferin. He criticized INC. According to this Lord Dufferin, INC is just microscopic minority. It is very small thing. It can't do anything. Okay, at the time he criticized. Who criticized Indian National Congress is microscopic minority? That person is Lord Dufferin. Okay, that point also you remember. After that, next we have to remember second session was presided by Dadabhai Nauroji. Dadabhai Nauroji in 1886 in Calcutta session was conducted. Dadabhai Nauroji, he presided totally 3 times, 1886, 1893 and 1906. Total 3 times Dadabhai Nauroji presided INC. He was the first Parsi president was elected to president of INC. First Parsi. I think you know Parsi or Zoroastrians. In our country, it is very smallest religion. Very less people are living in our country, Parsis. This Dadabhai Nauroji, Parsi community person, he was the first Parsi community person was elected to president of INC. First Muslim president of INC was Badruddin Tyabzi. He was elected in 1887. Session was conducted in Madras. First Muslim president, you remember Badruddin Tyabzi in 1887 Madras. First foreigner presided INC session was George Yule. You remember another point here, Evo Hume never presided INC. Never presided INC session. Okay, George Yule was the first foreigner presided INC in 1888 Allahabad. Only 3 foreigners presided INC. Okay, George Yule 1888, William Wedderburn 1889 and Alfred John Webb 1894. This is also remember how many foreigners presided INC session. You remember 3 foreigners, George Yule, William Wedderburn and also Alfred John Webb. These 3 persons presided from other country. Okay, foreigners, remember these 3 persons. Next, whenever Bengal partition was occurred at the time, INC president was Gopalakrishna Gokhale, political guru of Mahatma Gandhi. This person presided in 1905. The session was conducted in Banaras or Varanasi, Kashi. Here conducted Gopalakrishna Gokhale. He started Servants of India Society, political guru of Mahatma Gandhi. One of the famous moderates in India, that person is Gopalakrishna Gokhale. But Congress party was first split in Surat, in which year? That is in 1907. At the time president was Raj Bihari Ghosh. When was Congress party first split? Remember, that is in 1907, Surat. At the time president of INC was Raj Bihari Ghosh. He was also one of the moderates. That person presided this session. But again Congress united or reunited in Lucknow. At the time president was A.C. Mazumdar, Ambika Charan Mazumdar. Year is 1916. 1916. Lucknow Pact is also very famous, 1916. Okay, so Lucknow Pact. Moderates and extremists were united in Lucknow, 1916. That point also remember. After that, in 1917, Annie Besant was elected to president of INC. She is the first woman president of INC, Annie Besant, an Irish lady. She came to India in 1893-94 time, and also she started social service in Theosophical Society. After that, she has taken Congress membership. Then she was elected president of INC in 1917 at Kolkata. First Indian woman president is Sarojini Naidu in 1925 Kanpur. Don't confuse here. Annie Besant is the first woman president of INC 1917 Kolkata. Sarojini Naidu is the first Indian woman because she is not Indian woman. Sarojini Naidu, Indian woman, 1925. Okay, Kanpur session she presided. Before independence, from 1885 to 1947, maximum terms elected president was Jawaharlal Nehru. Total 4 times he was elected president of INC. Before independence, which person worked maximum number of terms president of INC? Answer is Jawaharlal Nehru, 4 times. Okay. Next, another point, Mahatma Gandhi is also important point. Mahatma Gandhi presided only once, that is in 1924 Belgaum. Gandhi presided only one session, that is in Belgaum session 1924. Subhash Chandra Bose presided 2 times. He presided 1938 session, 1939 2 times. He presided. After that, okay, he left from Congress. He started Forward Bloc Party. Okay. Another important point to remember, it is also very important. Whenever India got independence on August 15th, 1947, at the time INC president was J.B. Kripalani. J.B. Kripalani. This person also famous in Constituent Assembly. He was chairman of Fundamental Rights Subcommittee. The person J.B. Kripalani. His wife Sucheta Kripalani, first woman, was elected Chief Minister of one state. That person Sucheta Kripalani. Sucheta Kripalani's husband is J.B. Kripalani. Okay, that is also remember. But another point, one point to remember, first party was formed from Congress. First party, which party was formed? They separated and also formed separate party in 1923. That is Swaraj Party. Chittaranjan Das left from Congress and formed Swaraj Party. Nearly 65 parties, approximately 65 parties were formed from Congress. After 1969, Indira Congress, in 1969, the big split was occurred in Congress. Okay, after that also nearly 50 times, it means 50 parties, different regional parties were formed in our country. All these parties came from Congress. Okay, next, after independence, Congress party sessions were conducted very less. Up to 1933, every year president is elected. Term is 1 year. Up to 1933, from 1885 to 1933, Congress president, INC president term was 1 year only. Every year elected, session also conducted every year. But 1933, after that, okay, president term is not particularly decided. A person can be continued how many years, no problem. Whatever present is there, Indira Congress or Congress I, that is the main this INC. Sonia Gandhi is the president of this Congress I. Okay, she is the now president of AICC president. Longest term, maximum term of president of Congress I, that person Sonia Gandhi, from 1998 to 2017 president. She worked AICC president, and also since 2019 also she has been working president of AICC. Generally, we say which person worked maximum number of years president of this Congress party, mean that person Sonia Gandhi. Congress I, Congress Indira. These points you remember. Thank you.